All right, you guys, we did that, the miter thing, and now I'm taking apart this chainsaw because you get more, you get money for motors. So I was taking this chainsaw here and undoing the screws here, the bolts. And I should WD-40 these things here before. Oh, we got that one. So I don't know if I'm gonna take apart this area. I think I'm just gonna keep that together. You know, I could take them apart, but I really just want to take this motor off this area here. You know, they can do the rest. So, but yeah, you guys, hopefully everybody's doing well. I'm using this little space heater at nighttime and got my nostrils freaking dried up. I'm having nosebleeds. You know, you get the nosebleed going, and then like anytime you like freaking wipe your nose or getting any heat, it's like crap. You know, they start bleeding again. So, oh, come on, this one is gonna give me some problems. Oh, Here we go. So. Getting these things off. That's one. So I'm going to get the rest of these things off of here. So little bit by little bit, you guys, you know, just had a nice little chill weekend. Still taking care of a lot of other stuff.